Camera? Oh, I got it. Hey, this is the Black Eagle I stopped here today. You may wonder what is in these tins. These two Altoids. Sorry, I'm fixing my tin. Sorry, my brother. I have Zippos. Now, I have the reason why there's two. Because one's my friend. He wanted me to fill his Zippo full lighter fluid. His is the lucky one. So here it is. There. He needs a new flint. Here's his and here's mine. As you can see, these are the true Zippos. And I got the real Zippo fluid in them. Because if it wasn't the real Zippo fluid, this one, look it in the wind. It's windy. So yeah. Canadian Knife Crew, he has some, but not on his channel. So he's got like 4 or 5. He's got the toxic one and the card one. I'll just show you guys one more time. Zippos rock. So yeah, and my friend is helping me now on YouTube, helping me with my videotaping. Well, mainly it's been my brother. So in case these things fall over again, keeping them in their tins, I use Zippo fluid. Mainly Zippo and some other brand. I forgot what brand. You guys could just sit here and watch this. So, very nice Zippos. This one. They're hot. Oh, that is hot. I would show you guys the disassembling, but better shut that one off before it gets too hot. So, let's let it cool off for a few minutes. There. This is all basically, it's in a standard Zippo. Nothing in it. This is just a tin. It's nothing special. Yeah, just the cover. But here is your Zippo. Not light it. And you can still light it, but I do not advise it. It might explode. Right here, the screw here, that's how you replace your flint. You just unscrew it. Right here. No. Right here, this is that's what releases the gas, if you want to see. Right now it'd be closed. Well, it's supposed to, but. And here it says lift to fill. I just sometimes put it in that little nozzle, or I just pour it right in. I'll just open up mine. He gave me this one. Wait. Yeah, he gave me this one. Sorry. He gave me this one for filling up this Zippo. Yeah, Zippo light. Oh, this stuff smells real bad. And son of a, that's hot. Don't lift. I can't lift this up. It's full of fluid. I just filled these. I use mainly Zippo, like I said. Okay, so please comment, rate, subscribe, yada yada. Thank the cameraman, maybe. I don't give a crap. Just so here is the Black Eagle signing off.